This is all the part of this motorbike, and I'm attempting to rebuild it in 10 hours, starting right now. Let's start with the engine. Bolts are in. It was a lot of struggle to get this thing in, but it's in.
The sun is climbing slow above the trees. I used to watch the seasons simply pass, like a leaf that's blowing aimless in the breeze. I was fine with living life in shades of gray, until you brought the summer back to stay. I didn't know I was waiting for a sign, until I felt your hand slip into mine. Now I've got a reason for the climb, 'cause you're the gold in the common dust, the only forever I've learned to trust. You don't even try, you just breathe and you glow, and I'm catching my breath in the road. There are a billion hearts beating under the lights, but yours is the one.
And now it's time to put the exhaust on.
My steady hand, the only thing I finally understand.
Hit that subscribe button and like button right now if you want to hear this straight pipe starting up right now. I bet it's gonna be very, very loud.
I would take you everywhere you would love to be.
I tried to start the motorbike, but it couldn't fire much to the end.
Love, I knew you were the one. I saw you and I know.
Now it's time to put the mouth protector.
You are so beautiful. Let's
And now it's one of the best parts, the tank. It's almost done. Look how pretty it looks. Just like that, the motorbike are finished. In 3, 2, 1, you see it.
I won't leave you, and I won't run away from you. Do you wanna know why? The reason is because I love you with all my heart. I won't disappoint. I